This is nothing like there's a country. Nothing. Never mind. Nothing.
Guys, please.
I'm out. Stamina.
Alright, let's go. Let's go to regular. Just dogging shit here.
Now we go.
Shepard, where did you get the IR flashlight? What's its name?
What do you mean?
Your gun has an IR flashlight that goes within night mission.
Everybody's has it.
Dolphin 5 fly, we're in position, getting entrenched on the BOF, eyes on the cities, hold on.
A firm stay on site. Alright, this it should be standard to all
eyes on
eliminators.
one time outside, moving around
Yeah.
I don't know what key it is by standard. Say again your last, over.
Anyone on...
Okay, Stalker 5 fly, we have positive eyes on one time contacts on the north side of the AO and possible eyes on the HVT running around.
Roger that. Okay, friendlies have eyes on hostile plus possible HVT running around, so watch your fire on anything that moves. Be advised, Firefly, we are on our final approach, over.
Copy, Stalker.
Alright guys, weapons up.
Stalker, this is Raptor. Be advised, there are some contacts in the tree line to your northeast. Raptor's gonna mark.
Okay, firm Raptor. With contacts 3 line northeast. Raptor has eyes on, here again, Mark.
Be advised, marks on map as EI. They're currently heading away from their position.
Mark, if they're currently moving out. Okay, firm Raptor. Have eyes on. Guys, I'm gonna need to talk on the radio, otherwise I will not be able to.
Be advised, Raptor in total counts two-man patrols, the one near Stalker's position and one to the further north. No eyes on any other contacts outside of them.
Raptor, this is 5 fly, possible sightings of the HVT was moving towards northeast of the small town. Can you get eyes over?
Be advised, there's a two-man team on the north side at that warehouse on the water's edge. They're about to come around to the west side, your east. They're the only other contacts I see. I don't see any single units running around.
A from Raptor.
Firefly, be advised, Stalkers slowly but surely approaching the house now.
Contact northwest.
Be advised, we have contact to our immediate northwest, must be directly between you and me, behind the barn from Oslo.
Got 2 guys.
Copy, Stalker. Interrogative, do you have your guidance lasers on?
This is Stalker, that is a firm. Be advised, we have marked EI ×2, over.
Copy that, Stalker, hold 1.
Red, I need you to stay here and watch towards the northeast, green on me.
Copy that.
Red, you may push up to this barn if needed.
Stalker, we got eyes on them, but losing them, they're moving in the tree.
Okay, firm. Alright, okay, I see how it is.
Stalker, be advised, you might be able to see that other team, they're moving to the north of them.
Say again, they're moving where?
The two-man team to your guys' position to the north, whoever is in that tree.
Okay, firm. Red, immediate north, contact coming up.
Raptor does advise on a single contact near that shed-like building, the coast on the north.
Nice.
Maybe HVP.
Is it coming from like in the middle of the town or
Could be
something?
coming up from your immediate north, just scan that direction.
Roger.
Stand up or blow your head out.
Yeah.
That'd be advised, Mark.
Firefly, be advised, Stalker has lost eyes on these EI ×2. That should be probably to our west-northwest. Do you have any eyes from there, over?
Negative, Stalker lost eyes as well. We're moving to the east-southeast, so probably still towards you.
That's gonna bite us, to be honest.
Scratch that, just came up northeast of the barn.
Wait, firm. Watch out, Red, northeast of the barn. From this way. Eyes on. Directly front, we'll stop. I only see one.
Yeah, that's a pretty one. That's a PK.
Advise, I do not see the second one. Oh, never mind, I see them both. Red, you in position? Advise,
Yep,
Stalker might
yep.
engage.
I see.
From
There
Firefly
are
is no eyes on any
Foliage in
contact.
the way.
I got it, ready?
Drop
3.
Mark would be
Two,
advised that other
one.
two-man team is to the right east now, down at the building with the...
Advise, 2 times the eye down.
That was hella synchronized.
All
Sound
known
like a
contacts are on
nut shot.
HVT building.
Say again, over.
All known contacts are currently on HVT building.
Affirm. Be advised, Stalker assaulting the
Do
main
you want
building.
us to check the bodies?
Red, regroup on us.
Copy that.
We're at the HVT building.
Stalker in regular by Will 3, do engage if we see anything.
Be advised, if you see any contacts headed towards us, keep an eye on them. Let us know if we need to engage. We're gonna maintain silence until we reach this house. There's a guy.
Affirm, Stalker.
There's a guy in the window to my northeast. There's a guy in the window to my immediate north, guys. Northeast, rather. I'm raising it. Alright, Red. Red, I'm actually check Red, check if there's a door either on the southwest side or the northwest side.
Copy. That's a no. I don't think this building is enterable.
It is enterable, maybe just not from there. Alright, come back to you for
Oh,
those.
that's okay.
No, the other door is blocked.
Be advised the enemies are 2 buildings north of Safehouse.
Really fun. Firefly, if they strike crossing towards the safe house, you're free to engage. Right? Hey,
Affirm, Stalker, we got the west, north, and east
I'm
covered.
gonna need you to throw a flash. I'm gonna breach, and when flash goes off, red team, you kill this guy in the window here. You see him?
Be advised, contact has left the HVT building, single contact running southeast, heading towards Safehouse from the north.
Let's ready.
Stay
Be
right
advised
there.
at the first building east of the Safehouse.
Stay firm.
Stalker, that's direct east of you, 50
Oh,
meters.
immediate east, 50 meters. Watch out. Okay, Stalker does not have eyes.
Raptor's lost eyes last seen on that building.
Affirm, last seen running towards the south, pretty much east side of the building. You are right next to Stalker. I mean, the the one in front of you.
All right, one of you needs to stack on the barn and watch the east. One of you needs to get eyes on that guy up on the fucking building there when you proceed. You guys got that?
Which building? The east
Yeah,
building?
there's a guy that I'm linking right now, and somebody needs to watch the east. Figure out most yourselves.
Alright,
I'll get that guy.
Alright, Nordic.
That's ready.
Alright, opening. Be advised, Stalker's breaching time now.
Flashing.
I hate this so much.
That was a flash! My heart!
Alright, calm down.
Firefly being
Ready?
advised that two-man team is active.
Flashing or what?
They're inside of the
Flashing, yeah.
fort currently.
Yeah, flash ready.
Brace, brace, brace.
Flashing.
Copy, Raptor.
Oh god.
That was...
Fire! I'm hearing someone else.
Yep.
Taking fire!
Rooftop for sure.
Firefly be advised they may be...
The guy in the building is still alive.
They're in the woods.
Oh, fuck.
Directly 100 meters.
Hey, firm Raptor.
Cover me, cover me. I need to heal. I got fucked.
Stalker be
Alright,
advised. Firefly
Red, get
approaching
inside.
the building direct north, about 2
Contact
Roger,
approaching
but-
from the north, immediate north. He's approaching the building north. Red, get inside, watch the door.
I'm watching north.
No, not done yet. Just keep watching that door. Dude, the fucking first guy got me. Can you stitch me up, please?
Yeah.
Oh, you broke my arm as well. Good fucking luck.
Stalker, do you read?
This is Stalker. I read, over.
There you were stitched. I'm gonna give you some blood. 250.
All stations, Firefly, 2 contacts down northern side of the AO next to Firefly's current position.
There we go.
Alright, ready?
Be advised, Raptor has seen thermals inside that shed to the north. Possible contacts remain inside.
Flashing
Hey,
again.
firm Raptor, one of my guys suggests possible civilian.
Yes, we have civilians outside. The one civilian
Watch out.
northeast.
There you get Firefly.
The fuck?
Okay, you threw a
Copy, scratch that Raptor, we have eyes on civilians running north
I didn't know
around
I
the
had-
east side of the AO, possible HVT running around.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, ready.
opening.
That's not a fucking
Clear,
flash.
clear, clear. It's a Russian flash. Advice, safe house building is clear, no sign of HVT.
King has a fucking...
Be advised that civilian is a male.
Oh great, now
Okay.
okay. The gender.
I mean, she is...
What is
Guys
the
on
guy?
me.
The guys in the building is still alive.
Bitch.
Get out, get out.
Civilian.
Stalker, this is Firefly, do you want us to move in and start clearing couple 3 over?
Wait for him, you guys go ahead and take 3. Alright, no flashes here.
Oh, it's gonna all burn down.
Clear.
What? Hologram, stop already, please, come on.
All gonna get rid of her, please.
That would be hard to ask.
Oh, good luck. Alright, going in?
Are we flashing?
No.
Under fire!
Shit, reloading. Oh god!
Enemy fire!
Oh, that's right. The boys are back in town. Clear. Oh shit, taking fire from the north.
Ship, do you want us to stand guard downstairs or help you?
Sure.
okay, we're okay, we're okay.
We'll be okay.
Negative. I want you guys to start clearing sector 2. Alright. I think you can open the one at the end.
No, we can open this one too. I don't
Alright,
think.
Roger. Go.
Fuck you.
Opening next. Clear.
Hold on.
Reloading.
Yeah, coming.
It's clear.
Alright, let's go. That was good. That was very good.
Yeah, you don't have to worry.
Adrenaline not XC.
Here, okay.
Revive Stalker moving to sector 4.
They don't have like guys in the woods here.
They've already been cleaned up apparently. Watch the windows. Doesn't open.
Where's the cell phone?
Red, sit red.
Guys?
Yeah?
Is there anything on that table worth picking up?
You okay?
Yeah, we're okay. We secured the barn.
Not really. I can't grab anything.
These flashlights do actually fuck people.
I'm sorry.
Nah. Nothing.
Let's go. Our friendlies inside the
All stations 5 flight, compound 3 is clear.
Set.
It don't sound much more like that. Oh hey, Nordic. You up for some CQC training?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Opening.
Flashing. Not flashing.
Yeah, not flashing. Holy, we're not using the more flash. Right, ready. Moving in.
Say again, compound 3 is clear. We
How
have
did you move so fast?
located a cache of enemy weapons.
You move
Set.
really fast moving. Slowly.
Enemy Stalker, this is 5 fly.
Clear.
Soccer got this.
The door. It's clear.
Clear. Red, how's your progress?
We flashbang ourselves.
Firefly, what's your direct?
5 fly is left in compound 3 northeastern building. We're going to set up some charges on this cache. We recovered some intel as well.
All stations be advised. Compound 4 is clear, no sign of HVT. Let's go read the thumbnail. Firefly interrogative, did you fully clear this road? Red, did you clear it?
Sector. No, I don't need that much. Sector 2 is clear.
All stations be advised. We do not have an HVT. Sector 2 is also clear. So, yes, moving to evac X-ray 10 now. Over.
Okay, from 5 flies on the move.
Uh-huh.
Yep, I'm gonna ask you something.
What?
Do we have only one woman
Firm up
here?
is
Only what?
Only one woman as HVT here.
Yeah.
What the I don't understand what your question is.
We have a civilian woman in
Use short range.
We have a civilian woman inside the barn. But
She's a blondie.
how can you see the color?
It would be fucking dark, even at night vision.
No, that's not right.
Raptor, this is Firefly. We're already set up by the evac X-ray. Are you on your way over?
Okay, but
Roger. Stalker is slightly delayed. We had a possible HVT. Confirmed not the HVT. We're filming the UA. Yo, Nordic out here breaking stereotype by being fucking green team and being 17 times better than red team. You guys had the easiest fucking sector to go clear. Took twice as long and flashed yourselves.
What I mean flashes, friendly
Friendly, hello.
Yo, we're flashes, so I can stop looking to be honest.
I'm not gonna say that's a flash. It's a fucking flash.
Yeah, they are really weird. It's a little upsetting the fact that they actually damage.
Is this the only Russian flash we have?
Yes. And I could give us the standard ones, but I'm not going to, because we must embrace the Russian.
The Russian flashes.
I spread out, boys. Get away from me.
Stalker Firefly LZ is marked with an iron stroke. Raptor's question.
hey, but